Okay, that'll work.
Jesse, this one's for
Okay.
you.
Let me get
From
it.
Well, let
Ken.
me.
From Ken.
Especially for Valentine's
Can you get the
Day.
camera in? Because I'm getting a little too much here. Okay. All right. There we go. A little. Oops. Now I got much faces out. I can't get you. I can't get you all together. I'm not.
Well,
Can't
they
get far.
have to shift around.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. Go ahead.
Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. You have made my life complete, and I love you so. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. For my darling, I love you, and I always will.
Lovely.
Happy Valentine's
Great guys.
Day. Enjoy your breakfast.
Oh,
Great singing. You guys are great singers.
you guys are
Thank
very
you.